welcome to LKQ India Annual Awards 2021. Well, we have our superhero, the captain of Symphony at the Sea, the one and only, our India leader. Please welcome, for a welcome address, Mr. Kishore Kumar V, with a big round of applause.
Namaste and my heartfelt regards to all our family members. Gratitude is important every day of the year, but at this time it is more important than ever. The last 6 to 7 quarters showed me how fortunate I am to work with a team that refuses to give anything less than 100%. Even in the darkest days of the pandemic, each one of you was resilient and ensured we continued to meet our business requirements on a daily basis. Your commitment, your dedication, and the sacrifice continues to make a real difference for the organization. My heartfelt thanks to each one of you for your commitment to success, and to all our family members for the flexibility and the support during these tough times. In spite of the challenging environment, we had lots of positives in the year 2021. Each one of your support, dedication and efforts in these tough times has really created a big positive impact on the organization. Today, all our business leaders are confident about LKQI much more than ever. The result? More and more roles coming our way. This year alone, we have added 230 plus roles in India. Additionally, another 230 plus roles are planned in the coming year. This means more opportunities for all of us. Each one of your daily value addition is helping the organization to continuously exceed investors' expectation on all fronts quarter on quarter for the last 6 to 7 quarters. With a great performance this year, as you all have seen the note from HR, the leadership team wants to say a big thank you by announcing a special one-time year-end bonus payment added to your salary in the month of Jan 2022. Each of your commitment to our value system and culture is helping 980 plus members to experience this magic of energetic work environment and the culture. WorkBuzz awarded us the 5-star employer rating, which is a testament to each one of your commitment. The list goes on. The first successful virtual transition of a big process, the accounts payable process from Forsato, kick-starting our Lean Six Sigma program, the LEAP initiatives, etc. All these achievements would not have been possible without the support, commitment and dedication of all our team members. On behalf of the entire leadership team from all business units, I express my heartfelt thanks to all our team members for scripting this memorable journey for all of us. The big event this time of the year is our Family Day event. We all are missing the Family Day event even this year. I hope things get better in the coming days to ensure we all will be able to meet up in the coming year with all our family members. One of the key events during the Family Day event is our annual awards. This year, with lots of great work each of you have contributed, we had a tough time picking the award winners from the huge list of nominations we received. Today, we are going to shortly announce the annual leadership and the team awards for the year 2021. Before I conclude, I want to say the road ahead will be interesting, challenging, and entertaining, filled with opportunities. I'm sure with all of your support and passion, it would be another memorable journey for all of us. Thank you all very much for everything you do. Wish you all and all your near and dear ones a safe, healthy, happy, and cheerful day, months, and years ahead.
So ladies and gentlemen, with that happy thought, good vibe, and great celebrations ahead, let's welcome the partner in crime for the award. I would like to welcome the one and only Manager HR India, Mr. Avinash Gowda, to take us forward into the awards, and all that with a big round of applause.
Good evening, LKQ. I wish you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. It's been a challenging year so far. We would like to thank all our members and the families for the continued support during these tough times. I hope you, along with your loved ones, are thrilled to be part of this journey on our cruise, exploring new activities, clicking pictures, and don't miss exciting lucky draws on your way. To begin with, let's welcome Kishore Kumar V, Leader India Operations, to announce the first set of Leadership and Outstanding Team Award for the year 2021.
Thank you, Avinash. The first Leadership Award for the year 2021 goes to the leader who has just completed his 5 years anniversary with the LKQ family. This person was instrumental in leading the credit team and ensuring all the business metrics were met or exceeded in spite of the challenging work environment and in spite of the workload doubling over the last few quarters. This leader has created a big impact by driving positivity across all the teams he is accountable for. The award goes to Shashi Kumar BT, Manager LKQAR. Congratulations, Shashi. The first team award for the evening goes to the team which is the most tenured team at LKQI. This team was instrumental in driving our first focus area, profitable revenue growth. In spite of all the COVID challenges, in spite of all the supply chain challenges over the last 6 to 7 quarters, this team was instrumental in engaging with the suppliers, in engaging with the supply chain partners, and ensuring the availability of products on our shelf. The award goes to none other than LKQ Specialty Products Group, SPG.
Thank you, Kishore. We now have Karthik BN to announce the next Leadership Awards.
Good evening, family members. I'm very happy to be on this platform to present the next set of awards. This person has been very proactive in promoting LKQI values and cultures. His ability to drive team achieve higher percentages in terms of accuracy and statement reconciliation is highly appreciated. His involvement in driving process improvement ideas has brought in bigger business impacts. And the award goes to Anand M from ECP AP. Congratulations, Anand. Moving on to the next award. He is a very silent performer, has always demonstrated high level of ownership and self-motivated. He was involved in Force Belgium GL transition. His involvement in Force European services has been widely appreciated by the stakeholders. They quote, "The process is now being much efficiently managed than ever it was." And the award goes to Nitesh L from Europe GL team. Congratulations, Nitesh.
Thank you, Karthik. Let's welcome Velu to announce the next Leadership Awards.
Good evening, LKQI. It's my honor this evening to announce the next set of Leadership Awards. This person has been a key contributor for LKQ MDR. He has handled independently ICT transfer and ensured that he met the productivity of above 46 with set target of 40 per hour. He has been consistently been appreciated by process owners and gone beyond on every occasion. He is none other than Kiran Yu from LKQ MDR. Congrats, Kiran. The next award for this evening goes to Sumit M from LKQ AP. Sumit has been instrumental in ensuring our training and developmental activities are done effectively without any hurdles. He has been a role model, going beyond our expectations, driving our values, collaboration with our business owners. He has played a vital role in ensuring month-end close were always successful and smooth. Congrats, Sumit. All the best.
This is with the next second set of the awards, and please welcome the one and only Avinash Gowda to take us forward into the second segment.
We are here for the second set of awards. Let's welcome Kishore Kumar V to announce the second set of Leadership and Outstanding Team Award for the year 2021.
The next Leadership Award for the year 2021 goes to Bibartan Dasgupta, Manager LKQ IT Infrastructure. Bibartan ensured effective engagement with the LKQ Europe and LKQ Business North American business leaders to build the confidence and start supporting the LKQ Europe operations on various infrastructure projects. This is helping us to get multiple roles moved from Europe into LKQI over the last few quarters, and this is going to continue in the year 2022 too. Thank you, Bibartan, and congratulations on this achievement. The second team award for the year 2021 goes to LKQ MDM OE research team. The efforts put in by this master data team helped to enhance our sales by 31% year on year. On the operations front, the team improved their productivity significantly over the last 4 to 5 quarters in spite of challenging work from home environment during the COVID time. Congratulations to the OE master data team supporting LKQ North America.
Thank you, Kishore. We now have Darshan to announce the next leadership award for 2021.
The next award goes to Vinay Jayanna from KAO Pricing and Analytics team. Vinay has taken initiative and developed the documentation for Tableau and has taken the lead as the administrator. Vinay does an excellent job in leading and directing the BI team and holds his team members accountable to execute at the highest level. Vinay is a major contributor and an asset to the India Pricing and Analytics team and deserves to be recognized for his accomplishments. Many congratulations, Vinay, and good luck. And the next award goes to Amardeep, LKQ IT Implementations team. Amar is a leader in the IT infrastructure implementations team. He creates a positive impact on project delivery by understanding the requirements and driving project activities to a timely completion. He exemplifies key values of initiative, collaboration, and communication with other teams, and above all, he is a strong team player striving for what is best for the team and not just himself. Amar was part of a lot of critical projects including F5 load balancers, network segmentation, and the acquisition enclave project. Congratulations, Amar, for all your achievements and wish you the very best.
Thank you, Darshan. Let's welcome Praveen to announce the next leadership award for 2021.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining this evening. Hope everyone are doing well and safe. I am very happy to announce the next set of leadership award 2021. The award goes to, he is one of the experienced and highly dependable team leader for LKQ Salvage Procurement team. He is none other than Anup Kumar. Anup is very instrumental in driving most of the quality initiatives for SPT. He played a key role in streamlining the new initiatives for Bravo team and very pivotal in executing the process improvement projects by coordinating with application development team and leadership group. Overall, Anup's leadership helped to a greater extent in driving the quality expectations for LKQ SPT. Congratulations, Anup. Good job and all the best. The next award goes to, she is one of the consistent and top performer of LKQ Salvage Procurement team. She is none other than Arshita S. Arshita has maintained a high quality standard in her deliverables by maintaining 98.2% interchange accuracy with lowest number of high severity errors compared to rest of the team. She has been very consistent with her deliverables throughout the year. She has gone above and beyond and exceeded all the production and quality expectations. Congratulations, Arshita. Good job and all the best.
Let's call Avinash back because the awards are here now.
Hope you all are enjoying this evening. We are at the final set of Leadership and Outstanding Team Award for 2021. Let's welcome Prashant to announce the next Leadership Award.
Good evening, LKQI family. Hope everyone is doing well and safe. I'm happy to announce the next Leadership Award. The award goes to Ashwin Mahita from LKQ IT support team. Ashwin has been an excellent performer, especially during the pandemic period. He was one person who was always willing to be in office whenever there was a need to support members. Congratulations, Ashwin, and keep up the good work.
Thank you, Prashant. We now have Kamal to announce the next Leadership Awards for 2021.
Good evening all. Trust you are doing fine. this evening. Are you eager to know the next set of awards? Let us see. I am happy to announce the next leadership award for this evening. The award goes to Sanchit Prapulla from ECP Supply Chain Management Team. Sanchit is dependable, proactive, takes the lead in his role and gives his best. His contribution in managing Paris supplies, taking ownership on new reports, bringing in new thoughts is well appreciated. He is a good team player and collaborates effectively with business managers, leadership to ensure supply chain issues are resolved timely. He takes on new responsibilities and sets an example. Sanchit, good work. Keep it up. Time for the next award for this evening. The next leadership award for this evening, it goes to Samiksha Hegde from LKQ Process Excellence BPI team. Samiksha plays a pivotal role in process automations with LKQ Business Process Improvement and e-learning divisions. She always takes initiatives to come up with solutions for any challenges that comes her way. Her contributions in script automations, Title OCR project, Power App tools and LKQ Unicity is well appreciated. Samiksha, congratulations. Good job.
Last but not least, I would like to once again welcome Kishore to announce the final set of Leadership and Outstanding Team Award for 2021.
The next leadership award for the year 2021 goes to this leader is accountable for a team which had to execute a live process. With the entire team working from home and additionally with the workload increasing by 20 to 25%, this leader was superb in planning and engaging with the team to meet or exceed all the business and operational metrics. The award goes to Amaresh Gadagi, Manager, LKQ Parts Trader Team. Congratulations Amaresh on this terrific achievement and thank you very much for all the value addition you continue to provide on a daily basis. The last leadership award for the evening and for the year 2021 goes to Prabin Das, Manager LKQ Specialty Products Group. Prabin moved into this role exactly a year ago. He was quick to learn this complex process and started to exceed customers' expectation in a short period and created a positive impact among the global teams. Congratulations Prabin on this achievement and thank you very much for continuing to create this impact across the globe. The last team award for the year 2021, this team was successful in virtually transitioning the entire AP process. This team created impact by improving our on-time payment to our suppliers from 57% to 90% in just a few quarters. The award goes to LKQ Europe Force Auto AP Belgium process.
Thank you, Kishore.
And welcome Mr. Sudhindra for the vote of thanks. Sir, over to you.
Good evening LKQA family. I am Sudhindra, feeling proud and honored to have this opportunity of presenting vote of thanks on this special day. Every special moment ends and this visual enthralling experience is no exception. Congratulations to all the award winners and I hope you guys will cherish this forever. We would like to thank each and every LKQI member and their family. Without your support, we would not have achieved what we are today. I would like to thank Godwin and his team for this wonderful visual treat, Mithin for keeping us engaged all day, and my fellow mentors Manivelu Murugan, Amaresh Gadagi, Durga Prasad, Avinash Gowda and Fun at Work team for helping us and putting their efforts in driving our values. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude and sincere thanks to the entire LKQ senior leadership team and management for standing with us during all the times. A family that stays together wins together. Stay strong and stay safe. Good night everyone.
Congratulations to all the winners. Take care, be safe. Thank you.